beep, welcome back to Tube News. We have some juicy news and some hot goss. This just in, this just out, this just in, and you shake it all about. This just in, I bought a new hat today. Hannah Montana has been declared the winner of the 2020 election. And it's there, it's as clear as day, you can clearly tell. It's a beautiful, glittery landslide. Breaking news, Biden is doing something and some people think it's good and some people don't. This just in, local liberal gets owned with facts. This just in, clop and dunk dance is taking the nation by storm. This just in, I'm a fuzzy wuzzy bunny boy, whoa. This just in, YouTubers finally become people. Oh, this is great, that's huge news, nice. I've been waiting for that certification. God damn it. This just in, your mom's so fat will be considered as a planet, according to... Devastating news today. Wait, this just in, American YouTuber John Patrick Douglas, better known as Jax Films, was found dead, murdered by his dogs. This just in, men are obsolete. Finally. Huzzah! Sus?